ンジェルズの皆さん、明けましておめでとうございます。のびさみほです。皆さんには、セミナーを受けてるすでに皆さんには告知しましたけれども、2月からなんと、ロジェは本当に今年さまざまな飛躍を目指している、皆さんのためのもちろん飛躍ですよ。皆さんの飛躍を目指しているんですけれども、なんと念願のアメリカの最先端医療、そしてアメリカに長く伝わる、もう中国の、東洋医学ですね。東洋医学のなんと教授から、博士号の、教授から、直接ビセオレンジェルズが、したと、あと、質問ですね、診断、質問書を、書いていただくだけで、診断をしていただける、素晴らしい企画が、2月の、ロジェンセミナーから、ロジェン祭りからですね、スタートすることになりました。皆さん、ではドクターエイミーです。Hi, Dr. Amy!
And Visa Angels.
And she is a PhD professor in Eastern medicine. Also, she is the third generation of Chinese medicine, and her grandfather and her father and uncle are practiced in China and Korea and America. Dr. Amy,
Hi, Miho.
I'm so grateful to you will be in help for all Japanese visa angel.
It's my pleasure. Hi, everybody. Nice to meet you.
Wonderful. From inside and out, with your long experience to helping American people.
Yes, I've been practicing for over 20 years here in California, before in Orange County, now in Los Angeles.
Wow. And also you are so beautiful and gorgeous. I'm so glad to you making seminar for us.
Thank you. It's my pleasure. Thank you for inviting me. So I will be having a questionnaire, and Miss Miho will send it to you. First, about your family history. For example, if you have family history of high blood pressure, diabetes, or you guys live a long time, or if you have any stomach issues, please list your family history. And number 2 is, what is something you do regularly to take care of yourself, right? Some people like to walk almost every day. Some people like to take care of their skin. You have a skin routine. Some people like to massage themselves or go get a massage, something you do regularly to take care of yourself. And some people do nothing because you help other people, but you forget about yourself. So that's number 2 question. Number 3 is, in 2021, what would you like to see? What kind of changes you want to see in yourself to make yourself better and happier?
That's so
3
wonderful.
questions.
That's so wonderful. I never know the doctors the questionnaire like that. So that's why I would love to introduce all people to introduce you to all people, because some doctor is just teaching you walk out, just not like a example. It's like some Japanese the doctor telling it the tongue.
Mm-hmm.
Have any tongue problem, have to the exercise like so ugly face with. Yeah, but you are always teaching people to be beautiful and to cover on all the life together and health.
Yeah, but the tongue is only the window to your entire body. So we look at the tongue, and you can self-care at home, because you're in Japan, I'm in the other side of the globe, but I cannot shoot a needle through the video, right? But I can still help you, because true health is something you do routinely every day, become a good habit. So you can change something about yourself. Your destiny is not set. You are in control of your happiness, you are in control of this new year. So let's make this year bright and happier, healthier, and more beautiful. We come first.
That's wonderful. That's exactly always I do my seminar, and then that's why you are my best doctor. And I want to share it's my best doctor for all my angels. Oh my God, that's so excited.
It's very exciting. I'm excited about this year.
Wow, everyone come to Dr. Amy's seminar.
Let's be healthy together.
What you talk because exactly today, this last 2 days before I have a seminar, I exactly talk about same things what you said, right?
Yeah.
So much.
I think everybody wants the same thing. Yeah, at the end of the day, people have to be happy themselves. Yeah, then other people will be happy too.
That's wonderful. I want to using this one too.